Hello everyone, I'm Shabari from hookedinloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, then please click the bell icon. Today is my first video in the Crochet Absolute Beginner's Guide, and I will show you how to do a slip knot. I have taken a 4-ply yarn and a crochet hook of size 3mm. Okay. So let's begin. We will take the yarn, we will loop it around 2 fingers forming an X. We will turn our fingers and hold the yarn tightly. We will pull the first loop and from below we will draw the second loop in the manner I am showing you, and pull the second loop as well as the shorter side of the yarn to tighten it, and the slip knot is ready. Insert the hook in the slip knot. Pull the longer side of the yarn to tighten it, and pull the shorter side of the yarn to loosen it, and repeat it. Okay. We will draw both the side of the yarns to open the slip knot in this manner. Let's repeat it again. Take the yarn, loop it around 2 fingers forming an X, and then we will turn our fingers. Hold the yarn tightly. We will pull the first loop, and from below we will draw the second loop. Pull the second loop and the shorter side of the yarn together to form the slip knot. Insert the hook in the slip knot. We will pull the longer side of the yarn to tighten it, and pull the shorter side of the yarn to loosen it, and we are ready with the slip knot. Okay. We will pull both the side of the yarn to open up the slip knot. Okay. I hope you liked this tutorial. By the way, you will get some really cool crochet patterns in my website www.hookedinloops.com, so do not forget to check it out, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.